Solmonson with Kelly Ridge Heating and Air Conditioning, and I'm on the roof at Popeyes in Chico, where a bunch of equipment has been recycled. In fact, all the equipment got recycled when we were waiting to do construction here, and we lost 20 tons of air conditioning and 7 tons of refrigeration, one unit of which was brand new and had only been used once. And so we're in the process of replacing all the equipment up here, and we're going to have a 10-ton unit right here. We're putting a 7.5-ton unit right here, and we're putting a 3-ton unit over here. We're also putting a freezer and refrigeration unit over here, and we're going to be putting the ice machine refrigeration over here, and also another ice machine refrigeration right over there. So as you can see, we're busy, but we still have time for you. Please give us a call, 589-9059, and if you have any air conditioning or heating needs, we can take care of that stuff. We do quality work at a fair price. Thank you.